This is Christine Prasad for Best Buy Canada, and what I'm showing you today is the JS Complete Smart Ionic Air Purifier and Odor Eliminator. So it's pretty big, as you can see, relative to where I'm sitting in my chair here. It's actually running right now, so it's pretty quiet when it's on the low mode. I'll just take it off to give you an idea of the air filter on the top, the light ring around it, handle on the back, makes it really easy to carry it around, and filter comes out here, which is where it can be replaced. So what is it and what does it do? It's an air purifier for your home. It's actually a 5-in-1 purifier, so it comes with a pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and a HEPA filter, which you'll find pretty standard in a lot of air purifiers today. What it also has is a UVC lamp inside for killing airborne bacteria, as well as a negative ionizer for negatively charging particles to further help clean the air in your home. So 5 layers, again, of cleaning. It can clean a room typically about 540 square feet in size. So it is rather large. I'm in my living room right now, which is a pretty small room, and you can see I could easily push it back into the corner there, and it wouldn't really be in the way. But if you have a really small apartment, or you're looking to clean a very small room, unless you really need the power of a unit like this, it might be a little bit big for you. But I'll show you how it works. It's got 4 buttons here on the panel. It can also be controlled by voice using Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistant. There is an app as well, the Tuya Smart app, which I'll walk you through in a minute, but I'll just show you the 4 control buttons. So each of the buttons controls 2 different functions. So there's the power on off and the fan speed. Now it is quite loud when it's on high, so I will switch it here to high, and you can hear how much louder it gets. Significantly louder. There's a lot of air coming from the top. So you're not really going to want to run this mode unless you're doing it when you're not in the house, or it's the middle of the day and it's in the basement somewhere away from you, where it's not going to disturb you. You can hear that I've got to raise my voice right now to talk to you when it's this high, so it's pretty loud. But in the auto mode, it will adjust based on what it senses in the room. And then low is fairly quiet. So I have this beside me while I'm watching TV in the evenings, and it doesn't bother me at all. So this button here will turn the light on or off. If you long press it, it will turn the UVC lamp and the ionizer on or off. So there's a little indicator up here that shows you when it's on or off. Probably can't see it from there, but I've just turned it on again. And the last button is for a timer. So you can see there's 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So if you want to pop this on, say before you leave for work in the morning, and have it run for 4 hours, you can do that, and it'll go off automatically after the timer has elapsed. So the front panel here shows you the PM 2.5 detection, particle detection in the house. So this will let you know if the room is got a lot of dust and dander and odor, or how clean it is. Luckily mine here is showing me 000, which means the air is pretty clear in this house. So if it showed you a number that was less than 75, it means it's pretty good. 75 to 150 is fair, and 150 or more is when there's concerns and you really want to run this baby on high to clean out the air. So it's pretty simple on the actual panel, where you get most of the detail and as much control over the unit is in the Tuya Smart app. So I'm going to show you a little bit close-up of that so you can get an idea of how that works as well. So we'll take a look at that now. Okay, so this is the Tuya Smart app. So you can see I've got the Complete, and I've got a JS Flow device. You can manage all of your JS Innovations devices here. So this is one that I had reviewed previously. And this is basically it. So it's telling me that the unit is in sleep mode right now. This is the current temperature in my city where I live. PM 2.5 level indoor air quality is good. So see here it shows you that it's good. On the machine it just shows the 3-digit zeros. Filter life remaining is 91%, and then here's a graph of the reading for the last 5 days. So it really hasn't changed much, which is good. The air is clean in my home. So here I can switch the unit on or off. You might have just heard the beep there. It just turned off. Just turned it on. I can switch mode. So if I switch it to high, you might hear it running in the living room behind me. So you remember I mentioned it's pretty loud. So I'm going to put it in auto mode. Or actually just sleep mode. So countdown here is for setting the timers that I mentioned earlier, which you can do from the app as well. So you can turn the UV disinfection and the negative ionizer on or off from the app as well. Reset the filter whenever it needs to be changed. You can adjust the light, and one feature I really like is the scheduling. So here I have it set so that every day at 9 o'clock it switches on to clean the air from whatever dust and dander has accumulated over the day. And that's it. That's the Tuya Smart app that works with the JS Complete. Okay, so that's the Tuya Smart app, so you can see how that works alongside this unit. So again, you can operate it from the panel, from the app, or by voice, and clean all the air in your home sufficiently, and works in home offices as well. Again, it's a room about 540 square feet in size is what this device can clean. So again, that's the JS Complete Smart Ionic Air Purifier and Odor Eliminator, and you can read more about my full review and experience with this in the Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for watching.